In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Photoshop beta completely for free on your PC. The first thing that you need to do is type in Creative Cloud download on your PC. And from here, you need to find the website of Adobe, the one that says download Adobe Creative Cloud's apps. From here, you need to click on download Creative Cloud, and then you need to install it on your PC. Once you have downloaded the file, open it to install it. And once you open it, just click on continue. And as you can see now, it's starting to install the file. Once the file is installed, it will open automatically. Now in this case, I'm logged in my account, but I will log out just to show you what you need to do. Once you are inside this panel, make sure to create an account with an email that you never used before. You can type in your email and password, or otherwise you can log in with Google or Facebook. I'm gonna log in with Google. Once you log in, make sure to accept the condition of uses. And now you can go back on your Creative Cloud. And once you have created your account inside the Creative Cloud, you can see this panel on your left. You need to click on App Beta. And as you can see here, you can find Photoshop Beta with Generative Fill. From here, you need to click on Try, this blue button. And as you can see, it installed Photoshop Beta inside of my computer with 7 days of trial. If you select the team account, you will have 14 days without even having to put the credit card. So I recommend you to choose the team account. I hope this video has been helpful for you. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like so you can help me grow the channel, and consider subscribing.